Hola, I am Stefania Restrepo. I'm a native Spanish teacher from Colombia with over 10 years of experience. I also hold a master's degree in teaching Spanish as a foreign language from the University of Barcelona. If you understand some Spanish but struggle to speak with confidence, you're not alone and I can help you. I offer a complete Spanish program where grammar and communication work together so you don't just learn the language but you actually use it. In my classes, you'll practice real life situations, get clear explanations, and build the confidence to express your ideas naturally in Spanish. The goal is simple for you to stop translating in your head and start communicating with confidence. If you're looking for a structured and supported way to improve your Spanish, I'd be happy to work with you. Contact me and book your trial lesson. I look forward to meeting you soon. Nos vemos pronto. Chao.